Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind. So I'm home. I got home like around 1:27. I left there 1:12. It was so much fun. It was fun. We played a lot of games. I only had 2 jello shots. Mainly very strong. Like mainly strong, but I mean I'm gonna drink rum punch. The food. Let's talk about the food. Cause the girl can cook. The girl cooked the curry chicken good. The curry chicken is my fact what curry powder she used, cause it tastes similar to mine, but I don't know. Cause they have a little something is off. So I don't know if it's not off in a bad way. I mean off like it tastes like mine but not really. Cause I use Grace. So I don't know if it's Grace you use. But it tastes similar. But the curry chicken, you know, me love curry chicken, and the girl cooked the curry chicken so freaking good. Like, then the pasta and rice, jerk chicken. I didn't take the jerk chicken. I took some food home too. I did share one plate for myself. I could bring home because. So should I like curry chicken? The good thing, I drink some green juice before I leave here. Cause I said when I go there, so I'm eating a lot of food. I don't care. You see me plate ain't full up. I know she was gonna have good food. So yeah, that was my first ever friends miss. I've never been to a friends miss before. It was fun. The game with the candle, the first game that we played, that was so much fun. Cause me not drink nothing, you know, because me that like wait a minute I don't drink it. Yep, that was fun though. So I'm about to go to bed because me tired. Finally found the guacamole chips that I've been looking for weeks. I'm getting ready. I have like 2 of them. Or 3 of them. Girl, find them. Well, I'm wanting chips. That's all I need. No. Okay, guys. Now make bread. Not Meg. So not Meg. If you say anything,
that will look funny. We just look. That will look funny in them.
This is good. Say very big. You got enough of it already. Come in that camera. You got enough of it already.
Look for my head.
Good. Oh my god. I thought I said it smell like cinnamon.
I long as my bread this now.
Okay, no food about this.
My bread this to right. And it's time.
And guess what I'm making? A wheat flour. I'm making now. Wheat flour. Let me see if something like it. I think I eat best so you don't need nothing. And I like bun where you eat cheese with it. You can eat the best so.
It's all nice with cheese too.
Too sweet. Are you open man? Oh yes,
you want fear?
No, I don't open my teeth.
I'm just asking if you want me to eat your teeth, you're good. Come can't do that again.
Listen.
I want to put them lock.
I have one, I don't know where they. Probably not drawing a room somewhere. So, mother, still love the bread here. I think you're fattening down now, Lana.
I'm going to fatten on the door. I'm going to eat it. It tastes nice and fresh.
I think last time we did it. Maybe slow down, funny. Maybe slow down, funny.
Slow down,
funny bread. Yeah, I'm getting weight. So it is nice. No, right?
It's a wet man. There's some milk about that.
Vida Malta. Okay, so when it's a Malta, let's see the Jamaican Malta you talk about.
Some Jamaican drink this too. No,
they do?
Yeah, them do, but in a different style too.
Yeah, they're not say different Jamaican brand about.
We never see Jamaican run over here, but them drink. I think Jamaica have this too. I think.
Not bad.
No problem.
It's good. My first time I tried this one. Sweet though. Gosh.
For me, it's nice when it's cold, bro.
It's cold now, it's cold. Mine was cold.
I mean, it's cold, but it's not cold.
Like cold. You should want the ice cold.
Why come at me like dead for your breath?
Yeah, I'm a choke.
Allow too much, man.
No, because I'm a choke. That's just said out of nowhere.
I'm feeling all that fun, man.
Oh my god. Yeah, we outside. How long we outside now? What time we got there? After 1?
After 1?
Right? After 1, after 12. I remember either.
Maybe after 1.
We go do laundry. So,
Maybe after 1.
2, 4 o'clock, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 5 more minutes. 2, 4 o'clock. So 1 o'clock we go outside, right?
I come 1 o'clock.
Took up my laundry next 5.
Okay.
5 minutes, 5 more minutes.
Can I take a ginger one?
Which one? You know what is nice right now? Some ginger and beer. Oh, they say I'm trying to with something there. A Seagram, I'm trying to.
Feels nice. It's like a pin over. Let me come up.
Yeah, that's all enough. Go see Hall. Come bring me back this. This is nice. Go see Hall. And oh, look up this.
And she buy this.
Share them.
Fear shit green. Fear shit not green something wrong. I'm green. Green have to be your favorite.
A blue favorite color.
I don't know blue come. Where blue come from?
Green up in my house. Blue all up in my favorite color. Yes, I'm not edit this out. I hope you know that. The girl not easy. In my tea bag. Yeah, 2 more minutes. Okay, see what do you mean? Should I go in for party? Spicy.
My party.
Yeah, so just again one. Excuse me.
What's called spicy beef? Me don't know if
You never tried it?
No.
It's good.
I mean, me not probably trying but
So yeah,
me don't want like waste my money and find one food when me not want. Me not waste my money. Me not waste my money.
Not with it. Yeah.
Jerk chicken feet with jerk chicken, not jerk chicken patty. No.
So they have Kalu patty.
What?
Kalu patty.
Kalu?
Kalu patty.
Kalu patty? Me never eat Kalu patty either. I don't think me ever eat Kalu patty. Yeah, but me never eat it.
Oh.
But if you eat all patty meat, I must say curry chicken patty. That I would think it means.
I like curry chicken, but I don't like curry chicken patty.
My favorite is jerk and
Right, it tastes good.
I mean, maybe taste it. It can't look patty, no, but me never buy it from me alone. Eat it. Me never eat it. I maybe taste it from somebody.
The pepper, Jamaican avenue. Alright, so.
You can't eat patty over here. Me prefer eat this. But the one that I buy from Jamaica, me not like. It don't feel like.
Yeah?
It don't feel like patty home.
I'm not going for that patty one.
Me want that feelings there.
You're not going for that patty one, girl. I'm not going to go with it. No, Pierre. Take up your pots. No, Pierre not going to feel like home because.
No, I don't feel like home.
No, okay.
I want time go buy rice and peas down at Jamaica Avenue by the bus terminal. And rice and peas tastes so good. Like I said, Jesus God. When last time people my rice and peas taste so good to rot it. You know, the first time dip and put in it and what? But the rice and peas taste good, girl. You can taste the coconut milk in it. Oh, man.
Okay.
Try your friend. I don't want to take off your jacket. No. Yes, we could have waited. We could have waited.
Put me asleep.
No, Anna cake. I could have taken him out and put it in my hand until we ready. We could have waited. But no, you're like, wow. That's how you happy?
When I wash me hair dirty. I scratch me. Me eat only though, I forgot buy honey. I feel when I scratch it.
You got that? I can't scratch me now. Scratch me.
You go outside with a cute little cute bag and come here, come up, I'll go buy some cheese. I never go to one bag like this, I can't make me only need people so long. What's the name? Almond milk, I'm gonna buy more things.
Well, why you that?
Oh,
I
almond.
realized it. I'm gonna open this.
Yeah, you must use 7 days. You must use it within 7 days. I'm open. Oh yeah, we're not cooking after that Sunday.
We're not cooking now. I'm this bread, yeah. This bread come like a fully wall spot.
1 piece good enough for you. If you have 2 pieces of cream.
Me and I must wait the night.
Seriously, one look at bed big.
It bed big.
If you man now do this, it's bed big. Like when you pull it apart.
It's soft and nice,
girl.
Jesus.
It's okay, I shall get somebody.
Me, I don't let me start go buy bread.
Oh yeah, people like somebody that ask you about it. I would ask she about it.
Like,
no, sure.
Like the first time I see it. She use my flour and take up for her phone stand. Why you put me in your video?
Because they are talking, you will not see. But
you see me in the video.
Yeah, people them not ask about the bread. Like they work.
I man first, you know, you see bread and the first I ask about it. The little brown guy, you didn't see him after that. You're not ever in the one brown guy. He ever
kind of black bionic cashier.
Yeah. Oh. I ask the guy some can give girl for it.
Oh, okay.
Him did that ask it and I look for me. I say, oh, is it? I say, I'm a friend, I try it too, so I never eat it.
It's good. And you got to ask me, cashier asking about what am I going to drink with?
She more likely to drink it with
chocolate.
Eat with that, cause them kind. Yeah. But we know drink that with water in the
yeah, that's what yeah, you're gonna eat this with water.
So what
not water, but
water juice. You never drink water and water tastes nice?
Sometimes, but true.
Water tastes nice, no?
What's really cold.
Exactly. What?
True. But
this tastes freaking good, yo. Me have to buy one more.
How much for? Me don't say price. How much for? $4 and $3 because of $5. Me don't say it probably have a raise because I remember how much we paid for last time. I think around $3, if I'm not mistaken. But this shit tastes good. Like I never have no big bread.
Don't promise say no.
I don't.
It did just done promise.
It did not done it, girl. Take it. See the girl say it did done. Let me see she was.
Yeah, girl. You will probably see it. Wait, then see it, yeah.
How much expensive?
$6.
$6. Mama. It's a raise. Shit, another 4 pieces in there, but it worth it. It worth it. But I say only working at supermarket and they never like no work on and looking at one having a face.
The market they never do that. I mean, I think it was nice with that chocolate.
Probably.
Yeah, it was nice. Cause it tastes so nice.
But
you would make your chocolate sweet.
Yeah.
Come in like chocolate sweet.
Yeah. And this sweet already.
Exactly. So
you
don't
like so much sweet. Like. But she
said it would have been nice with chocolate.
We should try that next time.
When time cool, them time when time well cool. Shit.
You can dip it in there, right?
Okay, go put me to that bread yeah, man.
So gonna be addicted now.
The bread freaking tastes good. What do you mean by?
Listen, you know what I'm making this when I use it probably like 2 years.
You could take out $10 from car.
So you can't
come up here.
Some markets?
Yeah, I take out here.
So you have
come in here, check receipt.
Oh, you can't.
I take it out, now step on it.
Oh, it's raining. But it's laundry and everything. I'm about to go in here today. I'm about to go in here and sit down with the honey. Because I need some honey to wash my hair. Look at this electric kettle. It's affordable too. And I have a steamer.
These are Avon lotions they got. This says Candid. See, Honesty. This one is, wait, can't see the name. Timeless. And then this one is Odysseus. Oh my god.
Good morning, people. So today is December 13, and I just got to my doctor's appointment, my dentist appointment, just turned 11 o'clock. I'm right on time. I literally live right down there, so it's like 10-minute walk. But yeah, I'm here. Oh, smell good.
Hello, morning.
Morning.
No, you have him, man.
You have him.
How you doing? Hey, you rich girl.
I'm good. How are you? I have a dentist appointment.
Dentist?
Yeah.
Second floor.
Thank you.
And you have a great day, sweetie.
Thank you. You too.
Yes, brother. So now, this better walking. So now you leave your conversation.
Put on my mask. Put my mask on. I'm in the bed though. No, hot. Good morning. I have an appointment.
What doctor you seeing?
It's a dentist.
The dentist?
Yeah. I don't know.
You have your ID and insurance card with you?
Yeah.
It's not at the desk.
Oh, I filled that out already. Have I filled that out again?
Computers are down, unfortunately. I'm gonna need you to fill this out.
God. That's too much.
Just wait 2 minutes. I'm gonna make a copy of this for you, right?
All this paperwork again, dog. Just fill this shit out. Oh my goodness. I'm doing too much. How is it my problem your computer down? This is too much filling out to do. Look at all this paper. This bugger. So, I was a quick little 30 minutes in there because the system is down. So, they're gonna call me when the X-ray, because I need to do cleaning and X-ray. So they can't do nothing for nobody in there right now, but the system is down. Like the doctor said they should have called the patient that had appointments and told them, but she said she don't know why they didn't call. And I would like to know why they didn't call either, because I could have stayed in my bed for this. The first time I went there, I had to fill out a pack of papers. Like, come on. And now I went back there just now. I had to do the same thing because the system is down. They don't know who's who. Or whatever. They have to write stuff down. So I was a little irritated that I had to fill it out again, because I'm like, come on, man. Like, that was too much work to do. Too much writing to do. The fire truck. It's a beautiful day, though. It's a beautiful day. And the fire truck. Woo! This is my jacket up. Hold on. Put my jacket up. I didn't eat nothing this morning. Not gonna lie, I'm not drinking no tea, no nothing. But now I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna make some breakfast because I'm hungry. If you have egg on toast and avocado. I like this little thing they got going on right here. I'm not going down there though. Yeah. There's an out, it's on out, you know, but it's like it's still cool. Like it's really cool. So I just made brunch because it's 12 minutes after 12 right now. Some toast with butter, eggs, and I put some bacon bits in there, avocado, and some spicy tea.
You've got them being on. So they got voted out. Like just recently.
Yeah, it's not right.
Let me get out.
Are not permitted on this exit.
Are you gonna make up on your thing?
Maybe it's cold outside. And you do it outside. I'm doing it inside.
Oh, that chicken bad. No. No,
Nothing to discuss, cause I take win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the guys out. I'm a mind that's you the talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble.
Oh, they got writings on the wall. Oh. Because I think you coming home. Yes. I think I'm about to fall. It is spooky. Why is it dark?
With us as you prepare to see forever. Observatory through the doors on your right, where a spectacular 360-degree view of the city awaits directly below you.
Date night for me. Love this for me.
Oh, you gotta take a picture.
I don't know what I did actually.
It's dark as fuck.
Be in the home like that in my tight dress.
Son las 6. Sí, eso.
City Hall shows New York in ways that you've never seen. New York in the past has evolved and it's changed. City Falls can show us the city at any hour of the day, in every corner of the map. So we're going to use you to take a look at a couple stories about New York. Right? Here's what I always do first, though. I always find this to be the most useful way to start my show. Let's figure out where you are in New York. I want to help you get your bearings, because this place can be confusing. Even when you can kind of see for miles, you can kind of see everything, where exactly are you? Right? All right, so a really good place to start is actually right down here on the floor in front of us. Somebody put a great big S down there on the floor. So they are trying to tell you something. You are facing what direction? South is correct, south is correct. However, you are in New York. Specifically, you're in Manhattan. Just know, when I am giving directions in Manhattan, I do not like saying south. I don't like saying north. If you're looking for a subway train, if you're waiting for a subway train, don't wait for a southbound train. You're going to be waiting an awful long time, all right? As far as I am concerned, and most New Yorkers are concerned, you're facing downtown. I am facing uptown, right? And all of us, we are all about as far downtown as you can possibly get on the island of Manhattan. So that right there, it's Manhattan basically from Central Park down, and the big blue dot at the bottom, that is us, One World Trade. So we'll actually swing around, get a nice picture of our building pulled up on the screens here for a little while. So we are way downtown in Manhattan. There's our building. Okay, here's another mistake people make. They show up to Manhattan and they assume that Manhattan is New York City, and that's all there is to it. That is not correct. Manhattan is part of New York City. In fact, it's the smallest of 5 parts of New York City. What specifically is Manhattan? It's one of the 5 what? Boroughs. Yeah, boroughs is another name for county. So our city is made up of 5 of these boroughs. Manhattan's actually the smallest one by size.
She manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that get both. Like the Baba Frayo, Frayo, don't cry, yo. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, I did what I got when then kill Obama. I did try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remake it have been all over.
One more.
Enter. Oh. Is it locked? Oh.
I just did not have outside. Just go to the Starbucks and then get you guys. And I have a trash can upstairs. Alright, thank you. Hi guys, how's it going? Just like check what I have.
No fucking lines. Oh, little Fall Guys. Well, damn. Oh, the line is crazy. the rice like that? The rice don't really come in this thing. Let me be on a plate. What's going on? What the hell? Look. What the hell did I just drink? I think it's a Henny. This is brown liquor. I don't like brown liquor. I think it's a Henny. Oh my god. I'm about to leave. I am so tipsy. I'm ready to go to sleep. But this is not fit. Something. Oh, yeah, I can't do it. Yeah, I don't feel like doing that. I'm tipsy. Oh, I need to see you.